Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Futurefest car show, the first annual car show at the Journey Church in Yulee, Florida. This was a great car show for a first time. We didn't really know what to expect when we went out to it. This is going to be our lid cam video where we put a camera on the bill of the hat and we just look around as we're going through the car show, so you get to see what I'm looking at. Wherever I'm looking, you're going to get to see. Anyway, so that's the gist of that video. This was the first time they had done this show, so we really didn't know what to expect when we went into it. So it was a good show for a first-time show. We'll put it that way. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going to the car shows, and we're going to keep taking you guys along for the ride. So, I'll shut up now. We're going to take you out to the ride. Let's wrap it up for that car show.
What?
The sticker on the back window. Maverick. Talk to me, Goose.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You see it too, right?
Yeah, I see it.
Ain't
More.
nobody out here parking.
Yeah.
That's what that did too.
Yep.
Kids out there getting pictures of kids.
Uh-huh. Trying to. Deadpool duck is what I caught my attention.
Which one is that?
The red one next to the Georgia duck.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm doing. I don't even know what that is. It's wild, whatever it is.
Yeah.
You're fine.
I have a green one and I only wore it once. That was very St. Patty's Day. That's it. I can't handle this color green.
You can take it if you want. I think I got some of it, but I didn't get all of it. Car missing here. Anyway. Alright guys, we are out at the Journey Church in Yulee for their Futurefest car show. I'm going to take you through and show you what's out here. We got a McLaren. We got the slow thing, the Volkswagen thing. Who comes up with a name like the thing for a car? Anyway, we got the Sonic GTO and the Shadow G6. I think that's a G6. Anyway, this one's my favorite. It's a double. It's Captain America and a Mustang. Although, that one's going to give it a run for its money as a top 10 car here. Of course, there's all kind of nice stuff out here today. Of course, this red one here, I don't know what it is. I've never seen one before. It looks like somebody did a lot of fiberglass work on it. Like maybe it's a SSR that somebody radically restyled. I mean, look at the front end. That is definitely different. Anyway, we're going to move on. Love that baby blue C10 there. That one's probably going to be on the top 10 list. Of course, there's Esther, the rat rod truck. He keeps adding stuff to it. That's probably top of the list anywhere it goes. Of course, this Comet's really nice right here on the end. Of course, that T-Bird's really nice too. Well, guys, that concludes the Futurefest car show at the Journey Church in Yulee. So, that's 2 down, 1 more to go car show, and 1 hockey game for the day. So, we'll see you later. Okay. Yeah, I'll take.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Futurefest car show at the Journey Church in Yulee, Florida. This was a good show for a first time show. I think they had somewhere around 50 cars. Maybe 30. I didn't count, unfortunately. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Make sure you're subscribed, because YouTube sometimes likes to unsubscribe people that are think they're subscribed to the channel. It happens. It's a weird quirk of YouTube. I think it's just to make us paranoid. Anyway, so double check, make sure you're subscribed. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to share the video around, like it if you can, comment it on it if you got time. That really helps out the channel. We're at 334 subscribers, which is great. It's awesome. I love all my subscribers. You guys are making it happen. But we're trying to get to 500. We got to get that first 500 to get them YouTube ad dollars to start rolling in, to start paying for all the equipment upgrades and going out to further shows. 'Cause we need gas money. I know gas prices is going down, but when you drive a big vehicle, it tends to hurt. So anyway, do that. It'd be great. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. We keep putting out videos. We put out videos every day. So make sure you subscribe so you can get to see every video we drop. And I'll see you guys out at the car show, whatever the next car show may be.